Okay, we got everything we need here to finish our head. We've got the head all carved out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we got the back of the neck, or the back of the head here, and we have to trim this off some because when we put our neck pieces in, this makes this too long. So we're going to cut this piece off here so it'll fit. Also with the mouth, we got the mouth, and we got to cut this part off so the mouth will slide in there properly. We have our ears, and we're using 1-inch screws in there for the ears. We have our eyes. These are acrylic and they're about 1 inch. We have a 1-inch hinge that we're going to use, and that's going to get hooked up back here on the back of the mouth. And then this 3/4 inch block, which will go inside the head and get screwed in, will go back here. Then we'll be able to open and close the mouth properly. But that will go back in here, and that will get screwed in there. We have our 1/2 inch dowel, which will go up here. That's for our string to come over. We've got one of our eye hooks, or one of our hooks up here for our spring to attach to.
This morning, a laundry list of problem spots to move you through. State police are out on northbound 475 at Airport Highway working a wreck. Toledo police at
We're using a 3-inch spring. That will go up here. And that will also go in here to pull the mouth closed. We have 2 of these eye hooks, and we'll put one up here for the spring and one back here for our string to tie to. We have 24-inch nylon string. We have a 1.25 inch stick that we're going to put in there. That's where we have our center marked that we marked earlier, so we won't lose our center, and we'll drill a hole up through there, 1.25 inch hole, about 2 inches up. We have a 1-inch ring. This will get tied onto our string. So you get everything here we need to finish up the head. Thanks for watching.